Because why not? Magpo-post po ako araw-araw. Pag di pa ako nag-post, baka po tinatamad lang or busy, may pinuntahan, like ganun. Lakas ng ulan, grabe. But it can't control it. Okay, ito agad ang sila. Wow, you're guiding you where you go. Yes sir, yes sir. By the way, nothing grew because all my plants is fully grown. Yo, big turtle and decent flamingo. Decent size. I have a lot of turtles now. I have a cute one. Let's give him a level 50. So, if he gets a mega, pag nakuha niya mega na, kalimutan ko to, mega na mutation sa pet. Sobrang laki niya. Mas malaki na sa buong garden. So, hindi naman mas malaki sa buong garden, pero dami na. Okay, ano yung sa... Ay, naku. Lagi na lang yung bumubungad sa mata ko. Ay, na mega. So we have a blanket. Oh. Sinang-chat. Wait. Let's see. You're proud of you while you were coming. It'll take time to treat it easy. Yes, but pretty hideous on the inside. Oh, that's pretty life, but you can have baby nice vibe. I'm about to shoot up this vibe. Cause I see your real face, it's ugly as sin. Mas malaki pa na to. Ba't ganun giant pine cone parang liit? Ay, naku. Nagutom na sila. May candy blossom pa ba tayo? Yun! Masarap ulam na itong mga to. Ganyan. Ito magkano ito. Gold pa. Ano natin yan? Pakain natin sa mabait nating Barbie. Grabe. Ito naman. Ito. sila. Kalbo. Kailangan natin gumawa ng hagdan yan. Ba't dito? Isang seed lang naman kailangan ko lang. Bamboo! Pag ito maliit. Ayun, abot. Aray ko! Umarang rin. Oops, diba? Sila nga makakit. Pam 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 They do not want to grow, bro. I have here my baby cacao and baby beanstalk here. Bro, I'm stuck. Hell no. Here is the baby. Oh no, I have another one. Oh! Yun na. Oh, I'm not a baby. Here. Baby sugar apple. We have the baby team. Ay, this one too. This is her papa. Her or he, I don't know. Well, it. Oh, it. We have also a baby candy blossom. But I don't want to pick it. But very much. Cause I see your face is ugly as sin. Oh, this one too. I forgot. A baby moon mango. Yeah. Why did John Doe miss the moon mango? Yeah. We have the team. I'm getting a little bit bored.